Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this. This is how I make cranberry sauce to dip with the cooked meat. So I have about a pound of cranberry right here. Bought from the store the other day. And just make sure you wash the cranberries really good. And I have mortar, mortar and pestle right here. So I can pound this up. And the first thing, let's see. I just put a little bit of salt in here first, not too much, about half a teaspoon or so, not too much. You don't want to be too salty. And then put the cranberry in, and then just pound it. Put a little bit at a time. Don't put it too much. Maybe I do 3 batches on here because it's about a lot of cranberry here. All right, maybe a little more. Yeah, cranberry is very sour, and it's make good sauce for cooked meat. You know, all that. All right. Alright, next thing I do is that I have some chili pepper right here. Put about 3-4 of them. You don't want to be really spicy, maybe just 2, but I like spicy, so maybe 3 of them here. Alright, now the next thing go in there is some sugar. So about, well, because cranberry is really sour, so you want a little bit sweetness in there. So put some sugar in there, maybe a teaspoon of that right there, some sugar. Just keep pounding it. Well, this is MSG. It's optional if you don't want to use it. Most Western people don't like MSG, but every time I cook something, I always put a little bit in there just for flavoring up the. Just maybe look at a small amount. Don't. It's optional. You don't want MSG, it's okay. Don't put it in. The cranberry got the sourness, tartness, and then we got the chili that's brings the spiciness, and then the salt we put in there for a little bit of, you know, put salty to it, and the sugar for sweetness. And then this is the next thing to go in there would be the fish sauce. So this is the best brand that you can use, the 3 Crab brand, salty. It's a quiet taste. It smells really smelly if you never eat fish sauce before. So I put maybe a teaspoon and a half in there. All right, just mix it up. A little water. This is a boiled water. You can I usually use boiled water instead of just tap water. Just put a little bit in there, a couple teaspoons of that right there. All right, let's give it a little taste. That's how it tastes. I'm good, but need a little sweetness in there, so I put a little more sugar. Put another teaspoon of sugar in. It's very spicy because of the I put 3 chili in there, very spicy. So now, taste it again. Oh, it's much better now. I got grilled meat right here. Got some ribs. This is Cornish hen right here. So see, this is what I do. I just with the grilled meat right here. You see the Cornish hen. Break off a piece and I just eat with this sauce. Really good. I got the sourness, the sourness from the cranberry, the sweetness from the sugar, the spiciness from the chili, and the saltiness from the salt and the fish sauce. It was really good. So so if you have a chance, make this kind of sauce to dip with the grilled meat. It tastes really good. Really good. Thank you very much for watching. Please give this recipe a try, and if you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.